Hi there kids, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about amazing animals and what they can do. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is a sparrow. It can sing. This is a pigeon. It can fly. This is a rabbit. It can jump. This is a kangaroo. It can hop. This is a dog. It can bark. This is a frog. It can jump. This is an eagle. It can fly. This is a fox. It can eat. This is a fish. It can swim. This is a flamingo. It can fly. This is an ostrich. It can run. This is a bear. It can hunt. This is a duck. It can swim. Take the quiz now. Answer yes, it can, or no, it can't. Good luck. A swan can fly. Yes, it can. A rooster can swim. No, it can't. A sparrow can walk. Yes, it can. A turkey can sing. No, it can't. A woodpecker can jump. Yes, it can. A duck can bark. No, it can't. A peacock can hop. Yes, it can. A parrot can fly. Yes, it can. Can an ostrich fly? No, it can't. Can an owl see at daytime? Yes, it can. Can a flamingo speak? No, it can't. Can a stork run? Yes, it can. Can an eagle speak? No, it can't. Can a pigeon swim? No, it can't. Hey kids, how many correct answers did you get? 10, 12, 15 or all of them? Today you've learned how many things animals can do. See you next time with another interesting video. Subscribe our channel and keep learning.